Hello everyone. In the previous demo, I showed you how the R+ Motion version 2.1, how you program it, and some of the detail of how they design the software. Today, trying to wrap it up by showing you how to use ROBOTIS Manager with the Mini Darwin Motion, which is kind of a new application. But let's quick review here. If you remember when we download the Motion Group 1 essentially corresponds to initial pause, and then 3 like sit down, 4 stand up, that sort of thing, and then 5 and 6 are bowing 1 and 2. And like for example, I'm going to show all the way down the bottom. 42 is the Gangnam dance. So if you remember previous demo, these index number here usually the motion pages in version 1 of the motion editor, but in 2.1 they call motion group. And the design is a bit different too, but please check the other demo for it. So I'm trying to remember if you remember those lists, okay? So this is a little bit unusual application part. Is if you remember in ROBOTIS Manager, they have a 6-2 serial, a management tool. You pop on it, it becomes this. So this box here, usually we can send a number so you can check with check on Zigbee. Occasionally, if it's a design for Zigbee, but you found out that it's really just a general serial COM port. So what do? We're going to send in the actual motion group index through here, and then it will play it on the Mini Darwin essentially. Okay. You also can use the virtual RC100 that come with it, and I haven't done it here, but you can see after you've done this, you can see the extension. You can use up, down, left, right on the virtual to make it walk forward, backward, and then 5 and 6 and all combination key to do certain tricks also. The only problem is up is really sending 1, D is sending 2, R is sending 4. So what happened to 3 and 5 and all the number in between? Every time you change up a button, it doubles the number, double in term of binary. So the virtual RC100 may not be too useful here. So I'm going to be using this side of it. Okay. So right now it's on. So and I'm using Zigbee today on it. And so ROBOTIS Manager up here. And we're running on COM6. So I can just connect to you can see. So if you connect ROBOTIS Manager regularly, it will keep on saying this. So this part of it, the code, the ROBOTIS folks haven't worked on it. So it won't work for CM904.C, the ROBOTIS Manager. However, we can use this guy, serial 2 management. So I have COM6. You choose Zig2 serial management, this come up. So now let's see if it's working. Right now it's already in initial position. So let's see, it was send 3. J3 that was sitting down, so it went down. 4, send up. I also wrote some piece of code that will demonstrate and share with you a little bit later. Then up, you also send. I set it up to Darwin Mini, so it send back whatever command we send it. So let's see right now. Let's try 5 for the bowing. Here we go. 6 is the other kind of bowing. So you can see from the PC, you can do some communication and programming the motion also. So remember that Gangnam style dance? Here we go. So, all right. So this is just another way to access the motion file or the Mini Darwin in case you don't have a mobile device. And you just use an existing tool of ROBOTIS Manager to handle it. Before I go, I forgot to mention to show you how that piece of code is working. So let's go back. So this is the program, the task program that also is running on the mini Darwin here. So we have start program with OID to join mode, and then I turn the talk on for all the servos. Initially, I want to play motion group 1, so that's the initial position, and just usual, wait while it's moving up, just have the task code hanging here while waiting until it's finished all its motions. And then the key endless loop is here, pretty short. Anytime you go endless loop, I clear out the parameter called motion group number, and I wait here as long as there's no new data coming in through the wireless. It could be Zigbee, it could be Bluetooth, it doesn't matter. This code is fine. And then what it is, if when it's that means as long as you say false, it will wait here. I mean, no new data coming in. As soon as it pick up a new data, for example, when I send it from the Mobile Plus manager, it will pick it up, whatever called IXD, save into motion group number parameter. Then what I do, I TXD it out, and then I play that motion group number, and then just wait a while, and then it's endless loop again. So if I bring back the RoboPlus manager, so you can see. So if I put in 1 initial position, let me put a different angle and see. It's blocking your way. Let me close it. Blocking the view. There we go. Go 3. Sitting down. 4. Standing up. 6. Bow. You can see that every time I send the command, it sends the data and also receives. So you watch this one carefully. I'm going to put in 42. And really it go to here 42, and then after it gets sent over, the dot will send back 42 here also. Pretty quick, and then it goes into it. That's it.